Ayan guys, ngayong umaga mag-aayos tayo ng Sony 50 inches LED TV. The problem is no power, but the power supply is okay. The output voltage normal 19.5 volt. So this is the unit. So guys, this is the Sony LED TV. So please stand by. So this is the inside of the Sony. So first check the power input, moving to this IC and to this IC, and then this is the DC to DC converter. So the module is 48. So stand by for the troubleshooting. I think this TV is on shorted, so please stand by. So guys, I checked all the power supply going to this main board. So if you see this is the cause of the problem. So let's try the power on the TV. So I plug in, then power on. So now the power is okay, but the supply going to this area is missing because of the broken resistor. So the purpose of this resistor is fusible resistor. So you can see the light blinking, the red light blinking. So let's change this and check the cause of this problem is short. Possible short is this MOSFET, this two MOSFET going to this backlight IC. So let's check this MOSFET and check this IC. So guys, this is the fusible resistor. So I removed the broken one, then I changed this. So please stand by again. So guys, I checked the main board of the Sony 48 inches. So I have a second problem is this, the MOSFET driver of the backlight short. That's why the resistor fuse on from 19 volts going this is open. So I changed it. Now the voltage on the main board is okay. So this is the main board. This is the MOSFET in channel transistor. So I check the voltage here in the fusible resistor, normal, going to this MOSFET transistor. Now the LCD no display, then the red light blinking. So I check this IC, the voltage out is okay, and now I want to check the backlight. So I use this backlight controller inverter. So on the Sony, you have 4 wire. This white is positive, and this 3 gray wire is the negative one. So let's check the backlight if okay. So I use this main inverter 12 volt. This is the universal type. So this is the line positive. So please wait. Guys, I put a number on every wire. I check the number 1 first. So start. Connect the positive line. So I power on. No backlight turn on. So next check is the line 2. So line 2. So this is the line 2. So connect. I connect on the ground. So connect on the ground. So let's try again. So guys, the other backlight is okay on the line 2. So on the other side. So let's check again on the line 3. Line 3. So remove this one. Wait. Line 3 negative. Okay, line 3 negative. So let's check again. Oh guys, nothing happened. So let's check the backlight one by one to make it sure we have a broken one. So please stand by. So guys, because the Sony use 3 volt LED backlight, so I use the ×1 on my tester. So I check one by one. As you can see the red light, because this lead is 3 volt only. So I got this one backlight burn. This. So let's change this one. You remove this diffuser, backlight diffuser, then clean the area and put another one. So the other backlight is okay. So this only one backlight burn. So please stand by. So guys, I put a new one. This LED backlight is 3 volt. So let's try. And boom. Now the LED backlight all is okay. So let's try the main board. Please stand by. Guys, I have a big problem about the backlight of the Sony. So I decided to remove the IC, driver IC, and then the MOSFET. Then I convert it to universal. The reason why I remove this MOSFET because if you power on the Sony, the main board detect that you have a problem with the backlight. So I decided to remove so that this main IC cannot detect the problem, and then the TV is continue power on. So yep, then if you see the display is okay here. So let's try to play a video. So here is the video. So okay, I changed this driver transistor because it's broken. So this is the main, this IC, and this one. Then this tiny fusible resistor. So now this is my final setup. I put the inverter backlight at the back of the speaker. This is the ground. This red wire is the backlight on, going to this area, and this orange is the positive, and this the backlight. So let's try again.